Good morning. Welcome to another day of your home learning. We are going to start off our day with calendar like we always do. Go ahead and get ready to start our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. And we are starting off at the beginning of a new week. That tells me our day of the week is Monday. And our date, we are still in our month of April, and it is April 27th. So if I go on my calendar, I can find Monday, April 27th. We're in the last week, and then it is May. All right, we are at good news. So I have some good news I want to share with you. So because of the coronavirus, we can't be in school, we can't see each other. There's a lot we can't do, right? But I was trying to look on the positive side of things. So I ran a race this weekend, but it wasn't with anybody else because we can't be in big groups of people, right? It was called a virtual 5K. So I went out with my dog and my boyfriend and we ran 5 kilometers together, and I wanted to show you, they even gave us a medal for running the race. So it's pretty cool that we could still do that right now. If you have any good news you'd like to share, I would love to hear it. So if you want to message me, maybe something you did this weekend, a good meal that you had, maybe you got to see someone that you haven't seen in a long time, let me know. All right, I wanted to share today's schedule because we are starting a new week, which means you have a new weekly outline. So on your outline, you should be on the week of April 27th until May 1st. There is also a section here that is new. It's for your social studies and your science. So we said for 2 days we have social studies and science, but it's up to you. If you finish your math and your English and your reading really, really quickly and really well, maybe you have more time to do science and social studies. So that is right here for you. All right, we have a brand new skill this week. Our skill this week is about a problem. So what a problem is what the character wants or needs but cannot have. So when we're looking for how to find a problem, the first thing we need to do is we need to look for clues in the pictures or the text that tell us what the character wants. So the first thing we have to do is say, what does our character want? The second thing we have to do, we have to ask, why can't the character have that? Because if they can have it, that's not a problem, right? And our last thing, once you figure out what the character wants, why they can't have it, you can use a sentence stem. The problem is the character wants blank, but can't have it because blank. So you're going to tell us why there's a problem, why they can't have what they want. And lastly, why are we learning about problems? Because good readers figure out a problem because it helps them understand why the characters do certain things. So today while we read, I can identify a problem in a story. All right, our book today is called A Busy Day, and we are looking for a problem. We have to look for what a character wants but cannot have. Go ahead, open your workbooks. You should be flipped open to page 2 and page 3. All right, you can follow along with me. Jane and Max are at home. The sun sets and they go to bed. They had fun. Little Raccoon and his mom woke up. They will look for cans to dump. They will have fun. Now I'm gonna stop here really quickly because I wanna make sure I'm focusing on my skill. I need to find a problem. So I need to find something the characters want but can't have. Now, right here, I haven't heard anything they want, but I have found two characters. I have a character named Jane right here. I also have a character named Max right here. So while we read the rest of the pages, be very careful in listening for something that Max or Jane wants but cannot have. Go ahead, turn 4 and 5. 6 little owls woke up. They will see the raccoons poke in the cans. 6 little owls will have fun. Joan the baker woke up. She will make loads of buns. Jane and Max will get buns. All right, turn to 6 and 7 for me, please. Joan the baker woke up. She will make loads of buns. Jane and Max will get buns. The sun rose. Jane and Max jump up. They will have fun. All right, turn to your very last page for me here. The raccoons and owls are in bed. Joan is in bed. Bud is in bed. They had fun. All right, now you're going to be using our skill that we just learned today. So your constructed response should be your first one for topic 3. What it is asking you, it says, look back at a busy day. What was the problem that Jane and Max had? So they're asking you to look back at our book that we just read, A Busy Day. They want to know the characters, Jane and Max, what's something that they want but that they couldn't have? What was the problem here? So go back through these pages and figure out what they could not have. All right, and Miss Patterson will be posting a video for you for your quick drill cards. Make sure you do that today, please. Your quick write prompt today. It says, imagine that a giant box is delivered to your front doorstep with your name on it. What is inside and what happens when you open it? All right, if this was mine, I'll pretend I would say, if a giant box was on my doorstep with my name on it, I would carefully open it up and out would pop a giant ice cream cake, chocolate flavor, my favorite, and I would eat it all. So that's how I'd respond to this question. Your last thing for me today is your reading log. Again, make sure if you are reading, show me what you are reading, please. Tell me something you learned for it and make sure you write it down so that I can see it. That is it for me for your English lesson today. Be sure to check out your math lesson as well, and I'll post it right here afterwards. Bye.